Hey everyone, this is Syed Moosa Kaleem. Today I'm gonna give a quick introduction on Bootstrap. So let's see what is Bootstrap. So basically Bootstrap is a front-end web framework for creating responsive mobile-first web pages. So let's explore this more. What is Bootstrap? It's a free and open source, and it is open source on GitHub. It's a front-end web framework for designing websites and web applications. It contains HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, navigation and other interface components, as well as optional JavaScript extensions. And it is a web framework, so it concerns itself with front-end development only. It is not for back-end. It's a front-end web development framework, and it is the second most tiered project on GitHub when it was released in 2014 with more than 1 lakh stars and 45,000 forks. So let's move to the next slide. In this tutorial we are going to create a responsive website using Bootstrap. So websites that were created before with lot of CSS and JavaScript, those same websites can now be created with few lines of code using Bootstrap. So to make it more responsive, to make it mobile first web page, we can create using Bootstrap. So in this series we are going to take a look at introduction. We'll walk you through the intro of what we are about to do and a little bit about Bootstrap as well. And also we're gonna take a look at installation of Bootstrap latest version in Visual Studio 2015. So I'll be going to create this responsive web page in Visual Studio 2015. So I'm gonna install Bootstrap using NuGet package manager. So let's see what is grid system, Bootstrap elements and functional website. So grid system basically it means container. So in container we are having rows and columns, and in each row we are having 12 columns. So according to that, according to the device, we'll divide that columns. Bootstrap elements such as navigation, drop down, menus, lists, tabs, carousel and lot more. We're gonna create a fully functional and responsive website using Bootstrap. So you might have heard about the Bootstrap creators. They are the former employees of Twitter. They are Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton. Let me tell you about awesome things about Bootstrap. It is creating for highly responsive web pages. Built-in HTML, CSS and JavaScript is there, and also built-in grid system is also there in Bootstrap. So before getting started, what you should already know before getting started. So you should have a little bit knowledge of HTML and CSS before getting started, but it would be fine if you are a newbie as well. So let's get started. So let's see our demo application. Here it is. As I am creating this responsive web page in ASP.NET Core MVC, so I would like to show you the layout of this website. This is the layout. These are tag helpers, and let me show you the navbar. This is the navbar, navigation bar. It's a default one and it's fixed at top of the page, and under this navbar I'm taking a button for the toggle. This is the toggle button, and these are the list items under UL, unordered list, navbar list items. So let me show you the Bootstrap responsive web page which I have created. So the title of this web page is responsive page, and you can see here I have included one link. This link is for the font awesome. Yes, you heard that right. This is font awesome, and I am using font awesome over CDN. This is CDN. Just you need to include in your project, in your page, this link if you want to use font awesome in your pages. Font awesome is used for the icons, which I'll show you later in this video. So this is the link for the font awesome. You can get it on Google on the website fontawesome.com. So let me show you the first container which I have created in this web page. This container is a Jumbotron. As you can see here, I have taken a div tag. Under that I have taken a class of Jumbotron. Under that I am taking a row, and as I have said you, in each row we have 12 different columns. So you can see here access, it is extra small. Access means extra small, and you could take SM means small devices, you could take MD, it's for medium devices, for the tablets and all. Access is for extra small devices less than 480 pixels, and SM is greater than 480 pixels, and medium is for the tablets less than 768 pixels, and we have LG for large desktops. It is for large desktops. Let us take access only. Under this column I am taking a H1 tag, and I am taking this class H1. It's the Bootstrap class. This Jumbotron row, these columns and all, these are all our Bootstrap classes. So I am taking a paragraph P tag, so I am taking a class as lead to the paragraph. So this is our first container called Jumbotron. Let's move to the next Jumbotron. In this Jumbotron I'll show you the row, the parts of row. As I have said, each row is divided into 12 columns. This is our first 4 columns. These are our first 4 columns, and these are our second 4 columns, and the last 4 columns are here. So this is our footer. Under the footer I am taking a container. Under that I am taking a row. So under this H2 tag I am displaying that this is our footer. I am indicating that. So under this I am taking a section. Under this section I am taking one row. Under this row we have different elements. You can see here span. Under this span tag we are having a I tag. Under that I tag we are taking a class fa Facebook square fa 3x. What is this? This is font awesome. Font awesome is basically used for the icons. So these are social media icons. I am taking it in my footer. So this is for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube and Google Plus. So let's run this application and see how it works. So this is our responsive mobile first responsive web page using Bootstrap, and I am calling this web page in my controller using C# action method. I would like to show you the website for Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com. Under this you are having many more components to see that. Before that, this is our home page, bootstrap.com home page. It's a most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile first projects on the web. So you can download it from here. The latest current version of Bootstrap is 3.3.7. So I don't need to download that because I have already installed Bootstrap using NuGet package manager. You can see here it is running, and that's why the link is in light color. So you can download it from here if you are a Sublime text editor user. So I would like to show you the components of Bootstrap. These are some glyph icons. You could use these glyph icons as well, and you could use the font awesome as well. It's your wish. So let's see the drop downs. These are the drop downs with action, with another action and something else here. This is the drop up. When you click, it opens upside. Alignments, header, divider. I would like to show you about the Navbar. I have taken this default navbar in our responsive web page. So you are having a brand image here in the navbar. If you would like to put your company logo or something at the navbar, you could do it easily with this navbar. And this is the form in your navbar for searching something. So let's move to our responsive web page and let's type our controller name, this home, and Bootstrap. So this is our responsive web page. This is the image slider. Basically it is called carousel. You can see here NuGet, npm, bower, gulp. These all are package managers. I have installed Bootstrap using this NuGet package manager. So it is completely responsive. This is our first jumbotron which we have seen here. This is our first jumbotron here in our application. So hello and welcome to the world of Bootstrap. And this is the paragraph after the h1 tag, and this is our another jumbotron. After this heading, I have divided these three columns. Each column is of 4 columns. So this is our footer, and I have created a dummy content here. Put the dummy content. So these are our social media icons: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube, and Google+. Let's minimize this browser and see how it will work. Our navbar is working well with our logo, and this is our carousel. It is working fine, and this is our first jumbotron. All content is inside the jumbotron. This is our second content. You can see when we minimize our browser, each column is in stepwise manner. I mean it is not overlapping. You can see the power of Bootstrap. So this is the mobile view. I am showing it my mobile view. When we minimize, it becomes mobile. So this is a mobile view. All font awesome icons are working fine. So this is all about the Bootstrap introduction for the newbies. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel on YouTube. My channel name is Epicop. Thanks for watching this video.